everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be trying these super trendy Fulani braids. It's my first time actually doing Fulani braids on myself, so I hope that it comes out really good. My hair has been washed and conditioned as usual. So the way how I'm going to do it, I am going to be KREWing the front and then crocheting the back. And the crochet here that I have is from X-pression. It is their 3x natural curl, and this is in 14 inches. I got it in a color T1B 350, so it has some red undertones, or like we call this auburn undertones, which I think is really pretty. And I am going to be using some X-pression braiding here for the front. It's their, regular old school 84-inch X-pression braiding here, and this is in the color 350. Same tones as the curly hair, but I am going to be mixing this with some black, so it kind of tone it down a little bit, because I have to work and still have to maintain the professionalism. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to part my hair in half, and then I'm going to braid down the back. And I think I want to start doing the cane rows at the front. I feel like the cane rows are the hardest part for me, and it's going to take the longest for me to do. So I'm going to start with the hardest task first and leave the easiest task to last. So let's get braiding. Alright guys, so I just finished KREWing the back of my head. It took me about half an hour to complete, which I'm very pleased with. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So it is a little bit frizzy. It does appear a little bit frizzy around there. I did not blow out my hair, and I just finished washing my hair, so maybe that's why it's a little bit frizzy. And I was experiencing a little bit of tender-headedness, which is unusual for me because I'm never tender-headed. So now I am going to work on the front. I'm actually going to blow dry the front of my hair when I'm doing the cane rows, just so that it is not as frizzy as the back. Like, I had a really warm time with the back for some strange reason. So I'm gonna blow out my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and start the cane rows. Alright you guys, I went ahead and blew out the front of my hair, and I did go ahead and pre-section it also. I am doing 6 cane rows at the front of my head. This is what the hair looks like. This is the red mixed in with the black. I think I did a pretty good job with blending it. I'm not too mad about how it came out. So I did go ahead and prepped my hair. So we are going to begin the braiding section of it all now. I'm hungry. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did 2 off camera because I wasn't sure of myself, but I think I like the way how it looks and how it's gonna come out. I am going to be adding beads to the end, so don't worry about that, but it's looking good to me. Wanna think. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did the cane rows now. Alright you guys, so I just finished with the front of my hair. I think I did a pretty good job. I did a good enough job, to be honest. I like the way how it turned out. The parts aren't completely straight, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm experiencing a little bit of thinning around my edges because of a previous style that I had. It was a rubber band hairstyle, and the rubber bands kind of took out my edges, so I think that's why I'm feeling a little bit tender-headed. We are going to start the crocheting now, which shouldn't take long, so I'm almost done with the style. I'm going to be crocheting in the hair, and then I'll come back and add the beads. Alright you guys, so I am almost done. This is what the hair is looking like. It is so lightweight, like I don't feel anything on my head. I feel like this hairstyle is perfect for if you're going on vacation, or you know, I would definitely wear this hair on vacation, and I'm definitely going to be doing this hairstyle again, maybe switching up the front. How about me only using 2 out of the 3 packs of hair that I get in this? Cost efficient. So now I'm going to be adding the beads and the jewels. I have some beads here.